Hello students, as you know that in previous video we have already solved some questions of exercise 1.2. In this video we will solve remaining questions of exercise 1.2. Let we start now here. Question number 5 is find 5 rational number between first 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. I hope आपको conditions याद होंगी. So first we will apply step 1 here. If you want to find out the rational number, then first condition is denominator should be same here. You can see their denominator is 3 and the second number have denominator 5. Both are different. So first of all we will try to make the denominator same here. 2 upon 3 will multiply by the denominator of second number. Okay, will multiply by 5, multiply by 5, and second number will multiply by the denominator of first number, then it will multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now you can see here number will become 10 upon 15 and this number will become 12 upon 15. Now you can see denominator we got same here. Now we apply here step number second. According to this step, we want to find out the 5 rational number, then we multiply by 6 here. 10 into 6 upon 15 into 6, and 12 will multiply 6 and 15 multiply 6. Now you can see here 10 into 6 will become 60 and 15 into 6 will become 90. 12 into 6 will become 72 and 15 into 6 will become 90. Now you can see here between 60 to 72 we have 61 upon 90, 62 upon 90, 63 upon 90, 64 upon 90, 65 upon 90. You can see here these 5 number lie between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So remember that we apply only 2 steps here. In first step we will try to make denominator same, and after step 2 we got the rational number. Now we solve the second part. You can see here we have a 2 number minus 3 upon 2 and second number is 5 upon 3. You can see here denominator are different here. So first of all we will try to make the denominator same. So we apply the step number 1. According to this step, first number will multiply by the denominator of second number. Okay, minus 3 upon 2 will multiply by 3 into 3, and second number will multiply by the denominator of first number. So second number 5 upon 3 will multiply by the 2 here, multiply 2, multiply 2. Now you can see here we got minus 9 upon 6, and 5 into 2 will become 10 and 3 into 2 will become here 6. Now as you know that between minus 9 to 10 there are many numbers, so we can write here between minus 9 to 10 we got here minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, and minus 4 upon 6. Okay, we got the 5 rational number. There is no required to apply the step 2 because as you know that minus 9 to plus 10 we have the many numbers, so there is no required to apply step 2. मेरा मतलब ये है कि आपको स्टेप 2 अप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि -9 से लेके +10 तक बहुत से नंबर हमें मिल जाएंगे. नाउ you can solve 1/4 and 1/2 at your home. Now we solve question number 6. Write 5 rational number greater than -2. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको -2 से बड़े नंबर आपको चूज करने हैं जो कि रेशनल होने चाहिए. Remember that -2 numbers which are greater than -2 are -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4 dash dash dash, and it goes to the infinite. But we want to find out only the 5 rational number. So the 5 rational number will become -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And as you know that every integer has the denominator as a 1. So each number which contain denominator as a 1, there is no required to write down there. You can see here, you can write these number in the form in P upon Q, -1/1, 0/1, 1/1, 2/1 and 3/1. Is that clear? You can write it in P upon Q form, because we know that each integer has denominator as a 1, so you can write as a denominator 1 here. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we solve question number 7. Find 10 rational number between 3/5 and 3/4. As you know that if you find the rational number between two rational number, the first condition is denominator should be same here. As you know that we have 5 denominator and the second number contain the denominator 4. Both are different, so we will apply the step 1 here. Here we have first number 3/5 and the second number is 3/4. We are apply here step 1. According to this step, the first number 3/5 will multiply by the denominator of second number, and the second number will multiply by the denominator of the first number. This process is used to getting the denominator same here. That means 4 into 3 will be 12 and it will become 20. 5 into 3 become 15 and it will become here 20. Okay, you can see here between 12 to 15 we have two numbers 13 and 14, but we want to find out the 10 rational number, so we are apply here step second. According to step second, 12/20 and 15/20 will multiply by the 11, because we want to find out the 10 rational number, so we multiply by 11. But remember that between 12 to 15 we have already two number, so there is no required that we multiply by 11. So हम इससे कम नंबर से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे पास 12 और 15 के बीच में 13 और 14 पहले से दो नंबर हैं, सो हमें 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10. ओके, into 10 into 10. Now you can see here number will become 120/200 and the second number will become 150/200. As you know that 120 और 150 के बीच में बहुत से नंबर आते हैं, so we can write the 10 rational number. So 10 rational numbers are 121 upon 200, 122 upon 200, 123 upon 200, 124 upon 200, 125 upon 200, 126 upon 200, 127 upon 200, 128 upon 200, 129 upon 200, 130 upon 200 and 131 upon 200. Now you can see here there are 10 rational number, but you can write more numbers, but there is no required because we want only the 10 rational number. So you can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we have the 10 rational number between 2 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Remember that there are only two conditions, step 1 and step 2. Step 1, according this step, first we will try to make the denominator same, and after then step 2, how many numbers you will find out here? 10 number. So we multiply by the 11. But हमारे पास में 12 और 15 में पहले ही 13 और 14 नंबर हैं, पहले से 2 नंबर हैं. सो हमें 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम उससे कम से भी कर सकते हैं. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा.